Hi guys, I'm Tom. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making Mapo Tofu, a traditional dish from Sichuan. It's my favorite tofu dish and is famous for the mala flavor, which is the combination of spicy and numbing. It's actually really simple to make at home, only take you about 10 to 15 minutes. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients we're going to use today. First, we're going to cut the tofu into small cubes. I choose the soft tofu because I like the tenderness. There's a really important thing I would like to mention here. You can use any kind of tofu you like, firm, medium firm, extra firm, but don't use the silken ones. The silken tofu is too soft and it's gonna end up becoming a mashed tofu. Next, we're going to mince some garlic and ginger. Chop some green onions. Add a quarter teaspoon of salt into boiling water. And then add the tofu and let it cook for about a minute on medium heat. Remove the tofu and set aside. Turn the heat to medium-low and add about 2 tablespoons oil into a wok. Keep adding both green and red Sichuan peppercorns. Some people only use the red Sichuan peppercorn, which is okay, but I suggest you use both because the red ones bring the fragrance and the green ones create the numbness taste. And you can find both of them on Amazon. Make sure you use medium-low or low heat to slowly fry them because those Sichuan pepper are easily to get burned. We're not actually going to eat them because we only need the flavor. Since all the flavor has been absorbed by the oil, we're going to remove the Sichuan peppercorn and just keep the oil. Turn the heat back to medium-low and add the ground beef. Break the beef into really small pieces. Now the color has changed to brown. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. 2 And then keep stir fry for about 1 to 2 minutes. Once the color becomes to dark brown, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Sichuan Dou Ban Jiang, 1 tablespoon of pickled chili, 1 teaspoon of fermented black bean, and minced ginger and garlic. Keep stir fry until you can smell the aroma. Now I have been stir fried this whole thing about a minute and the smell is incredible. And then we're going to add some hot water to the pot. Once the water starts to boil, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. And then we bring the tofu back to the wok. Let the tofu cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch water for the first time. And then stir the tofu in one direction for like 20 seconds. Let it cook for about a couple minutes. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch water for the second time. Stir the tofu in one direction for another 20 seconds. Let it cook for about 2 minutes. Keep adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch water for the third time, and this will be the last time. Once the sauce is thickened, we're going to sprinkle some chopped green onion. There's one thing I forgot to mention is be gentle on those tofus because they're really soft. I got some broken tofus. I guess I was not gentle enough. Last but not least, we're going to sprinkle some Sichuan red peppercorn powder. This will bring this dish to another level. Now it's time to enjoy. I suggest you to eat with the rice. It will taste amazingly delicious. Okay guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will have all the ingredients list down below. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'm here to answer. Thank you very much. I hope to see you guys next week.